Ever wanted to dive deep into your game files, maybe to mod, backup, or just satisfy your curiosity? Let's unlock the hidden locations of your Steam games on Windows. First, open up your Steam client, head over to your library, where all your installed games reside. Locate the game you are interested in now. Right-click on the game's title from the drop-down menu that appears, select Properties. In the Properties window, you'll see a few tabs across the top. Click on the Local Files tab here. You'll find a button that says Browse Local Files. Click this button, and it will instantly open the folder where your game is installed. This is the primary location of your game's installation. You can now see all the files associated with that game. This is incredibly useful for managing game data, applying mods, or creating backups of your save files, which are often found within these folders too. But what if you have multiple Steam library folders on different drives? To find those, go to the top left corner of Steam and click on Steam, then select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to Storage. This section clearly displays all the drives where you've installed your Steam library folders. You can see the path to each library and even add new ones or move games between them. If you want to manually locate these libraries without going through the game properties, you can use File Explorer. Navigate to the root of the drive where your Steam library is installed, then look for a folder named Steam Library or whatever you named your library. Inside that, you'll find a folder called Steam Apps, and within there, another folder named Common. This common folder contains subfolders for each of your installed games. This gives you direct access to all your game files. Remember to exercise caution when modifying game files, as incorrect changes could potentially affect your game's stability. But by knowing these locations, you've just gained a powerful tool for managing your PC gaming experience.